Welcome to Unova's Project Management series. Today, we'll learn how to set up and manage projects in your HRMS system. Whether you need quick default settings or want to create customized projects, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's begin. Projects in Unova represent the tasks and deliverables assigned to your team. When you first open the Project Settings section, you'll see the question, do you want to use default project settings? This gives you three options: using our predefined settings, creating new projects, or managing existing ones. Let's explore each option. Section 1. Using default settings. If you want to get started quickly, select Yes, use default settings. This automatically applies our standard project configuration, perfect when you need basic setup without customization. Remember, you can always change these settings later if needed. After selecting this option, simply click Confirm and proceed to continue. Section 2. Creating new projects. For customized projects, first click the Edit button, then select Add New Project. Here you'll enter important details. Start with the project name, make this clear and specific. Then set your project dates. The start and end dates help with timeline tracking. Next, select the project manager from the drop-down list and choose the associated client. The description field lets you add important notes about the project objectives or requirements. You'll see several toggle options. Publish status controls project visibility. Billable marks. If this is a client billable project, timesheet access determines if team members can log hours. To add team members, select each person and set their participation dates. The Update All button lets you apply the same dates to all members at once. When finished, click Save to create your project, or cancel if you change your mind. Section 3. Managing existing projects. Select View Existing Projects to see and manage all your current projects. The project list shows names, clients, and statuses. To add a new project here, click the plus icon. Need to remove projects? Check the boxes next to project names and click the Delete button at the top. The funnel icon opens, filtering options, helpful when managing many projects. For bulk operations, use the Import CSV button. First, download our template, prepare your project list, then browse and upload your file. To edit any project, click the pencil icon in the action column. This opens the project details, where you can update any information. Save your changes or cancel if needed. Always remember to click Confirm and Proceed when you finish configuring your projects. That covers project setup in Unova. Remember these key points: accurate project details, ensure proper tracking, collaborate with managers on settings, use bulk import for multiple projects. When ready, click Next to continue your configuration. Happy project managing!